If you are looking for a simple starting point to get started in the online space, right now in this video, I want to show you the exact step-by-step process that you can follow to build a sustainable monthly income for yourself in the online space by solving other people's problems.
You don't need skill, you don't need any experience. The only thing that you need to do right now is to pay close attention to this video. So I walk you through all of this process and you can get to set this business model up for yourself right now, so you can get to make this money for yourself. You see, this is not about you having a skill, this is not about selling anything. This is basically you making money by solving other people's problems, especially the freelance market.
I want you to know that this is not get rich quick business. It's a simple step-by-step process that you can follow right now. You can get to build this business model for yourself. I can be profitable about it. So there's no assurance of any amount of income. Is what you build that you can reap, and the result might be various. Depends on the experience and the work that you put into this action and this business model, right?
So there is a website that I'm going to reveal to you right now in this video. This website is called XeroSMS, and XeroSMS is a platform where you can get virtual phone number to verify any of your online service at any point in time. You can even rent eSIM, you can even do a boost social media account on this particular platform. And right now in the online space, you know, a whole lot of freelancers are struggling with getting number to verify their Fiverr, Upwork, and all of other social media accounts. And right now, what you want to do basically right now is to sign up on XeroSMS. Right now, I'm going to show you the process on XeroSMS that you are going to help people to get number to verify their identity. I'm going to show you where to get these people, so you just recommend this website to them, and we always get up to 10% of their deposits every other time they deposit on this website to use this service that this website provide, right? So if all of this being said, guys, I want you to like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and let's go over to 7,000 subscribers this month so we can clock a whole lot of things together in the online space. Like I said, no gatekeeping this year. We are going to do everything openly right here, and we are going to make that money that we deserve for ourselves. So let's get on screen while I walk you through all of this process, right? Coming over to XeroSMS.com right here, as you can see on your screen now, the very first thing that you need to do right here is to sign up an account, right? So on this sign up page, you are going to come over right here. You are going to put in your name, your email address, you create a password, then you confirm the password, then you hit sign up. Right now, for me, I'm just going to click on sign in right here because I have an account, and I'm going to walk you through all of this process right here. Right, so you are coming over right here, you are going to log in your account, and once you log in, I'm just going to click on remember me right here. And after this process, now I'm just going to be logging successfully to my dashboard, and you can see make money and withdraw earnings. That's the exact part we are going to, but let me show you what these people are going to get once you refer them to this website. You are not going to spend any of your money. I've prepared step-by-step process on how you can do this, even copies that you'll be using to post your link to these particular spaces where I'm going to show you how to get them. Right now, you come over right here, you can see their SMS service. If you come over to the SMS service, you can see a whole lot of service that people can get to verify from here, and you can see the available country of all. If I click on anything right now, let's choose Fiverr right here. You can see Fiverr right here, and you can see the available country that people can get quotes from. You can see phone number right there, and the other one right here is if you want to rent a number, which you can select the country, and you can select the service that you want to use the number for, and you can see data on eSIM data, right? If you want to buy data for eSIM, or you want to buy another country eSIM that you can use for anything right there. And Zero Boost is where you boost your social media platform, maybe Facebook, and what you want to boost. So as we choose Facebook right there, you can see what they are selling. You can see what they are selling all of this service for, and this is something that people get to leverage on every other time, and I'm going to show you. This is the exact place we are coming right now, and this is the affiliate section, right? So it's either you come over to the affiliate section right there, or you can download the app and get to do everything from the app. So I'm going to come over right here, you can see get your link, and once you click on that, yeah, it's going to ask you for your username to create your unique ID. So I'm just going to choose Life of Homies right now, so you can see that, and I'm just going to click on register now. So easy peasy, right? You can see your application is under review. Now let's wait a little bit for this to be approved. So right now you can see this has been approved, and right now all you need to do now is to copy your affiliate link right here. I'm going to explain where you are going to post it and how you are going to do all of these things. just pay close attention right now. So this is your affiliate link. So anytime anybody click on your affiliate link and they get to sign up on this particular platform and they get to fund their accounts to use any of their service, you make money from that. So you don't make money from the service, but you make money from the funding, which is the most essential part, because nobody can use the service if they not fund their account. And that's where you can earn up to 10% of every of their deposit, because I'm going to show you everything and where to get people that really need virtual phone number to verify every of your online service. Right now, right here, you can see these people provide marketing assets. Right, if you click on this, you are going to see the information that they give out right here for you to be able to share with people so they know how to use the platform and tell them about what the platform is all about. So you don't need to do much about all of those things because they provide everything, and I'm going to help you with the rest of it that is not available right here in this video. Right, so the next thing right here is to come back right here. This is where you see your total earnings, your total registered user, that's people that's registered through your link, and you will see your earnings once they deposit any amount on this particular website. And right here you can see you're available to withdraw, and once you click on withdrawal right here, you can fill in your bank information and the amount you want to withdraw. Basically simple. So now let's talk about how you can get people to use your link to sign up to come and use the SMS service right here. Now, very first thing, let's talk about your targeted audience for this particular service, which are freelancers, people that do online nomad, affiliate marketers that are trying to verify any of their accounts, or people that want to buy WhatsApp number, buy Instagram verification code. All of those things, they need virtual phone number to get all of this thing done. Right now, the very first thing, like I said, is Facebook group. Right now, you are going to come over to Facebook right here. This platform works with every country, and anybody from anywhere can deposit at any time. Now you can come over right here. Once you go over to Facebook like this, and we're just going to wait for this to load up. So you go over to the groups on here, you search for people, you search for freelance community, freelance group, or anything related to such, so you can get to pass this information across to them, so you can basically make money on your own while you solve community problem. Right, so coming over right here on Facebook, I'm just going to click on right here. You are going to search Facebook, and you are going to go over to Facebook like freelancers community. Just type in freelancers. Right, so once you type in freelancers, let's say in Nigeria, assuming you want to target Nigeria first, freelancers in Nigeria. So once this load up, you are going to see groups. You are going to see these people are active. These Nigeria freelancers and freelancers in South Africa. So all you need to do right here is to click on that group, and once you get over to the group right there, you can easily join the group. And once you join this particular group, you have everything to yourself, and easy peasy you can get to sell. Right, so once you wait a little bit, I guess the admin needs to approve you so you can be able to share posts on this group. You are not selling anything, you don't need to invest, you don't need to do anything related to all of that. All you need to do is to just make a community post on this group or another group. Right, you are just going to make a community post about this, and you are just going to say, okay, I found this website where you can easily get virtual phone number to verify every of your online service, and you can click here to test it out. Like, basically simple. Right, now if you come over right here again, if I go back a little bit, all right, so if I come back right here, you can see we have a whole lot of groups that you can join. Another thing that you can use to get people that is very targeted to this particular service is you using your WhatsApp group. Right, in whatever WhatsApp group you are, that is consists of maybe freelancers, or maybe you have a team, you have anybody, just basically send them your link and tell them to use this website to get their verification phone number and use it wisely. Right, so it's just something basically simple. If you are in any community at all, you can basically use this and you can get the best results for yourself. Another method is you using Discord. So there's a whole lot of Discord server that's basically about freelancing that you can share this opportunity with. Even your WhatsApp status can do a whole lot of justice, because people that doesn't need verification phone number for Fiverr, we need for WhatsApp, we need for any other social media accounts. Even people that's doing survey, that's another niche that you can join the group on Facebook, and you can get to share all of this information, so they can easily get any country phone number to verify all of these things. And you don't need to sell anything. I repeat that again, you don't need to sell anything. Absolutely, all you need to do is to get people that need this service, which is basically simple. I just share with you a whole lot of places where you can find them and where you can get them to use this particular website so you can make money for yourself. This is a challenge for us. I want you to go out there right now, join Facebook group with your WhatsApp status, your WhatsApp groups, and every other community that you know. Freelancers are hangouts, people that need WhatsApp, people that need to verify one or two things in the online space. Even you yourself, I know you will do a whole lot of this. So you can basically refer your community, your friends, and anybody to use this website, and you can get to make money for yourself alongside. So if all of this being said, guys, I want you to like this video, share with your friend, subscribe to this channel, and let's go and hit the goal together. Like I said, this year we are not keeping anything, and we are going massively in the online space. Subscribe to this channel once again. Let's get to 7,000 subscribers, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, guys, stay at peace.